Hello, I'm Chris Carr, and I created Lender Racial Bias Rank for this hackathon. Before we get into that, hackathon is Hack to the Future, sponsored by Finastra, and I checked out their resources on spreadsheet and found under the System Inequalities project, sponsored by aacuc.org. The challenge is removing implicit explicit bias from credit rating algorithms in the overall application process. So I took a look at AACUC's site and some of their blogs, and I found a report after getting a feel of what the field's like, titled Consumer Lending Discrimination in the Fintech Era. And I joined the Slack channel, looked at all the resources. I decided to go with Angular as something I wanted to learn, and hackathons are a great place for learning new things. I've used GitHub before, but I used GitHub here to host my code. There's a link in the project. And I have a DigitalOcean server hosted, running Ubuntu, and Apache HTTP server already set up, so I use that stack. And GIMP is an image processing tool that I'm familiar with. I use it to draw logos and stars. Okay, here's the application that I built. It's a prototype. So we call out racial injustice in the financial industry, and how we do that is we collect anonymous loan information from borrowers, and along with that their ethnicity, and with that information we compare the two and rank lenders on their racial bias. So there's a couple ways to help. You can, after getting a loan or trying to get a loan, you can fill out this form and submit the data. So let's say I have a loan for $1,000, and I have to pay it back in 1 year. Let's say I make $50,000 a year, and the interest they gave me was 8.5%. I approved, the loan was approved, I got accepted, and the institution I got it at was USAA, and my ethnicity is white. So I submit that, I get this little thank you, and then the form gets cleared. Now what happens in the background is going to be that these ranks and star ratings on the lenders will get updated. So the information will be compared. So now I have a list of lenders, and all these ranks here are fake, but the idea here is that you can quickly see which ones are more or less racially biased. I also used Visual Code here to do some of the coding. Thank you.